how to screenshot on a Snapchat without them knowing. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. And this video works on both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. And after that, and your first step to take a screenshot secretly is you have to firstly go to your Play Store, and then you have to search for this app, a screen recorder, video recorder and X recorder. And after that you have to install it, and then and you have to allow all the permission that it needs to work properly. And after that you have to go again to your Snapchat. And when you go again to your Snapchat, then what you have to do is you can screenshot any of the chats or anything, any of the snap that you want. Let's see, I screenshot in my this photos. So you can screenshot in any parts that you want. Let's see, I screenshot. So what you have to do to a screenshot is you have to firstly click on this uh, orange icon. When you click on this, then there is option of there is in the this tools option. When you click on this tools option, then there is the option of a screenshot. So when you click on the screenshot, so it will a screenshot. So that's it. And here you can see when I type on this uh, this camera like icon, then it will screenshot anything. So let's see, I type again on this camera like icon, then it will screenshot. So that's basically it. And so that's basically it. If you screenshot in this way, that no one know that you are a screenshot his a Snapchats or anything in the Snapchat. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. Have a good day.